Hello, and welcome to Automotive Central. Winter is over, but your car might still be feeling the effects. Before you hit the road this spring, here are 5 crucial car maintenance steps you need to take. But before we get started, do me a favor and subscribe, hit that like button and ring that bell. Also watch this until the end, it helps me a lot to give you valuable information. Now let's get started. Tip 1. Check tire pressure alignment. Cold weather can deflate your tires, making them unsafe. Check your tire pressure and refill to the recommended PSI. Also, potholes can mess up your alignment. Get it checked to avoid uneven wear. Tip 2. Wash off winter salt. Winter salt buildup causes rust and paint damage. A full car wash, including the undercarriage, is a must. Adding a layer of wax will protect your car's paint from spring rain and sun. Tip 3. Replace wiper blades and top off fluids. Spring showers are coming. If your wiper blades are streaking, replace them. Also, top off your windshield washer fluid to keep your view clear in unpredictable weather. As well as check your oil, transmission, and coolant levels to make sure your vehicle is in tip-top shape this spring. Tip 4. Check battery. Cold weather drains your battery power. Test your battery voltage and replace it if needed. Many places like AutoZone and many auto shops will check your battery for free. Tip 5. Inspect brakes and air conditioning. After months of cold weather, your brakes and AC need a checkup. If your brakes squeak or feel soft, get them inspected. And before summer hits, test your AC to avoid overheating in the heat. Follow these simple tips, and your car will be road trip ready. Want more car care tips? Subscribe and hit the like button. Also comment down below if you're getting your car ready for spring. Thanks for watching and take care. God bless.